Cable harnesses are the lifelines of modern systems, enabling seamless communication between components in aerospace, defense, automotive, and industrial applications. Any fault in a cable can lead to costly downtime or mission failure. Digilogic's cable harness tester is designed to perform comprehensive testing with unmatched precision. Our tester detects faults like continuity issues, short circuits, miswiring, and insulation resistance quickly and accurately. The following are the technical specifications of the cable harness tester. And below are the insulation resistance specifications. Featuring an intuitive user interface, our cable harness tester supports automated testing for even the most complex harness configurations. From small connectors to large multi-pin assemblies, our solution ensures every wire is connected, every signal is flawless, and every product meets the highest standards of quality. Looking for a dependable solution to streamline your cable testing process? Contact us today.